Welcome everyone! Guess who's back? I was about to say Daddy's back, but that sounds weird. Anyway, TutuBox has just been re-signed, App Valley's also re-signed, and I'll be talking about why you might want to use App Valley, because TutuBox, a ton of people, they flood the site, and it slows down the website, and this happens every single time there's a re-sign. You could say, why not upgrade the servers? If we upgrade the servers, we start making losses, so that's honestly the reason why. But yeah, all the apps are fully working, and I'm going to show you how to re-download your TutuBox, and then how to keep TutuBox working even after the next revoke. Because it's not an if TutuBox will revoke, it's when TutuBox will revoke. And the reality is, this certificate, what wasn't too much. The last certificates were like really cheap, $250, and they revoked in under 24 hours. This should last hopefully a couple of days. However, with DNS Cloak, it's going to last a couple of months. I think that sounds a lot better. So first things first, if you're going to download the new TutuBox, go to settings, make sure you go to general, and then device management, and you see any old certificate here, you want to delete these right here, okay? And then you want to go to VPN, and you want to make sure any VPN here is properly turned off, right? Just ensure it's turned off, or it might cause issues when downloading TutuBox again. And then we just want to go to the TutuBox page, make sure you refresh the page, and it seems like I have a proxy server on, which is causing some issues. So let me just turn this off quickly, because I was doing some experimenting with installing the revoked TutuBox, and I have some good news about that. I'll make a video when it's available. However, there isn't a tool properly made yet. I have a new solution. So you can see we are having this really nice internal server error. So we'll just refresh the page until TutuBox actually loads. Then I'm going to tap on risk revokes again, install now. And we'll just wait for the install pop-up. Install. Now TutuBox will install on the home screen. Now, do keep in mind again, you do need to, if there's any issues with the advertising, so let's just refresh the page. If you tap on risk revokes and for some reason the risk revokes button doesn't close, or the advertisements keep on redirecting you, any page here which isn't TutuBox is an advertisement, right? All you need to do is tap on multitasking, quickly close out of it, then tap on the install button quickly. If you're quick enough, you can get the download started, otherwise you're a bit slow. So we're just going to wait for TutuBox to finish installing. Now you might have a situation where the download fails, and if it fails, that's not because TutuBox is revoked, that's because there are too many people flooding the site and it's causing the servers to shut down. What this means in English terms is the download starting, and before it finishes, like the server disconnects or something, and so the download essentially crashes and therefore it fails. If you have this issue, all you need to do is just try again in a couple of hours. I wouldn't say 24 hours because TutuBox might be revoked and you can't, turn on DNS Cloak after it's revoked to get it to work again. So just keep that stuff in mind. I'm just going to show you uncut that this is going to fully work. You can see I'm not jailbroken. You can see Cydia, substitute, not working. So I'm in the non-jailbroken state. And after I've got my TutuBox again, I can get my uncover and everything's going to fully work. So any moment now, it's currently at 66%. So we should see, well, I mean, if you look, the progress bar is at 33%, but this is technically 66 because that's when the download finishes. And yeah, very soon TutuBox will install. I mean, for context of how many people are downloading right now, TutuBox is a 3 megabyte download, right? If TutuBox is running like usual, it will download in under a second. But because so many people are downloading TutuBox at once, that's why there are slow downloads. And again, if you're not happy with the slow downloads, let me show you App Valley, right? Not sponsored. We work with App Valley, right? App Valley uses a CDN, which means that they pay for really fast download speeds. So if you have issues with scrolling, you need to first close out the advertising. So we'll just close out this ad, right? And then if it still is buggy, you can just go to landscape mode, and now we can scroll. So let's get INDS from App Valley, because the downloads will be a lot faster. Install. And yeah, okay, so now TutuBox is going to install, and there we go, it succeeded. And look at INDS, right? So we'll just wait for this download to start. And you're going to see very quickly that it's going to be a lot faster, although it seems a bit glitched. So we're just going to cancel, and then we're going to close out of this ad, close, and then we'll reinstall. And I'll actually leave, we'll leave an App Valley downloads. I mean, look how fast that is compared to TutuBox. So if you're having any issues with the download speed, I recommend you just use App Valley. And so we just need to trust in the certificate. You go to settings, general, device management, and then enterprise app, and you trust in brand new certificate. And you can see TutuBox is fully working. There we go, lovely. And INDS as well, fully working from App Valley. So yeah, everything's fully working, and that's pretty darn cool. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Let me just refresh here. You can see, yep, and yes, sure, my ad value's working. See you guys later. Smash like. Bye bye. Also subscribe, because I'll let you guys know when TutuBox is revoked and signed again.